Morning, Supreme Team. Welcome to the Supreme Clientele. Let's talk financial series. The Supreme Team Money Machine. Today we're going to discuss a couple of assets, SONN and LOVE. But before we start our quick discussion, I need you guys to click subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. Let's build the network. Also, when we're talking about creating assets, if you don't have a brokerage account, let's start somewhere. I'll have a link in the comments below, and you could join Robinhood. We can talk more about that. We'll do a Let's Talk session on Robinhood as well. Okay, so we're going to get started, and today we're going to talk about SONN. So, this is Sonic Biotherapeutics Holding. It currently closed Friday at 581, which was amazing. Long story short, I got introduced to this company about a month ago, and since then I've created several assets. And a lot of you guys know when I say I created an asset, I bought the asset at a lower price and sold it for a higher price. I'll give you a really quick overview on what I mean when I created the asset, and hopefully that'll help you as far as the understanding. So, at one point, let's go around, let's go back a little further. I like it right around here, early March or so, late March. This stock had dropped pretty significantly, and it got all the way down to as low as $4.82. So at that time, I owned shares, and I bought more shares at around $4.82. Well, over the course of that time, the stock skyrocketed several times up to about $6-7 plus. So from there, I was able to create shares of stock, create assets of SONN. So now I own these assets, and this is the money machine right here. I own these assets. I withdrew my initial investment, so this is all what I call house money. And now that this is the house money, I go to sleep, and one morning I wake up, and this company that I own for an average around $5.05 with X amount of shares, it pretty much goes on a skyrocket and goes from about $5 or $4.90, and it climbs up to a total of $15 per share, $15 per asset. Now, guys, remember, I own these assets at $4.96. We'll talk more about that later. So now when I wake up, the asset is at $7-8. I could sell right then, create some shares, keep my assets, so forth and so on. But I just decided to ride it out and see what's really going on. By 10:30 that morning, those shares that I own that were created rose to $15. You talking about making money in your sleep. That was the true definition of the Supreme Team Money Machine. Now, okay, so now I have these assets that have skyrocketed. So what do? I need to withdraw some profits, and from there I sold several shares, withdrew some profits. From there I can reinvest, or I can just take my profits, but I still own assets. So it was a great day. I know I told you guys a lot. Right now, SONN 581. I own assets in SON. I think I'm gonna go ahead and create more assets this week because I like the play and how they actually just skyrocketed out the blue. And the reason I'm talking about that because I want to give you another view of this company. Right now, this company is down here about 580. Well, early March, they were $30 a share. At the beginning of the year, they were like $20, $19 a share. So they're in a downtrend, as you can see right now. But that gap between $5 and $30 from 1 month ago, it looks very promising. So again, if you like these type discussions, subscribe, leave comments, help build the network. Supreme Clientele Enterprises International, Supreme Trade Vision. This is what we're going to do. We're going to build each other up. We're going to share great information. All right, now, talk to you guys later. Have a great Sunday.